Hey y'all, welcome to version number 20 of ArterSpace Studio. So this is the screen you're going to see when you first log in after this new update. There's going to be a pop-up. There is a new class happening this Sunday, August 9th at 2 p.m. It is a pricing class. So if you sell press-ons or you take clients in person, you're a nail tech, maybe even a hairstylist or lash tech, this class is happening this Sunday. You can click the Learn More button to learn more about what's all included in the class and what we're going to be doing, what we're going to be going over. It is a workshop, so it will be interactive. You'll be getting resources and we'll be working on things together. So you'll leave the workshop with actually having completed something related to fixing your pricing, adjusting your pricing, fixing your systems so you can make more money. So I just wanted to get that out the way. That is going to be the first thing you see when you log in to the latest update, which is version 20. So let's get into what else is going to be included in this update. I'm going to just click maybe later. All right, so the first thing I want to show you guys, the tutorial button has gotten an update. So now instead of the tutorial playlist, it is going to link directly to the hour and 44-minute tutorial video that I recorded in June. Okay, so when you click on this teal icon, it is going to take you directly to that. I'm not going to click it right now because I don't want to get out of the screen. I want to stay where we're at. Okay. Okay. So let's just leave that like that is. The sync button, there is an update here. So when you sign into sync, it will take you to Google and you'll pick your email or whatever you want to do. And then it is going to tell you it's loading and it's going to take you to another tab. So you can switch the tab. It's just giving you a little bit more context about what's happening, because before it would just load a blank screen. So now you don't get the blank screen. It tells you it's loading in the other tab that you were originally in, and you just switch back over there. So whatever you've saved will pop up and it'll look the same, synced from the cloud. Okay. So that's the second thing that's been updated. Let's see, what's another thing? Let me go into our print preview. So let's give ourselves a little color for these nail tips or something, just so I can make it better. So let's put it on full set view because that's going to be important. I'm going to go over here to print preview, click PDF preview and print, and you will notice there is a bar up here with some new stuff here. So not only are you able to change the view, you also can take away certain nails from the printout. So if you don't want to print a full set or you only want to print a couple of nails, you can take those away. All right. So this is a little different than the hide feature because this is actually going to control what prints out if you're printing directly from the app. Okay. So right now we are in full set view because that's what we started off on when we were designing, but you can also switch it to 5-nail and single nail view right in the print preview screen. Okay. Then if you want to get rid of certain nails, you can just go here. If you hover over them, it'll tell you what each one is. So that will get rid of the right pinky, that will get rid of the left thumb, and you can just toggle by clicking on them again. So that is new in the print preview. You now can show or hide nails, and you can change the different views. Okay, so we're going to close that. That is pretty much the only thing that's new there. Also, when you get into the drop down menu that's up here, events and classes, that tab has been updated. So it will take you to every class that I've either done in the past or upcoming live classes that I'm doing. I'm going to be doing live classes literally every month. And I pretty much stuck to this. I've done live classes since April, May, June, July, and now August class will be August the 9th. That is Sunday. That is a paid class. If you are on the premium side of the school community, you can get into the class for complimentary access, but not for the people on the free side. So it is a paid class. All right. If you know an ambassador, their code that they gave you will work on this class. So if you want to get it directly from OrlandoNailTech.com, their code will work. So that is new. Okay. I'm trying to think, is there anything else? There are a couple of bug fixes that I can't really show you here because I'm on my laptop. However, if you are using an Android device and you've had issues with adding text to your nails in the drawing tools when you're in full screen. That has now been fixed. I have also fixed the bug with the full screen not functioning correctly on mobile. So that is fixed. The light and dark mode has also been fixed. There was a couple of things happening there before that weren't working. That is now working. Okay, so those are some new bug fixes and updates for today, August 4th. That is version number 20. All right, this video will be in the email that gets sent to all the members. So just in case you didn't catch me live, you can see what's happening in the updates, and there will be information about the class in the update too. So just in case you missed that too. But I'll see y'all for the next update. And for anybody that signed up for Sunday's workshop, I will see you Sunday live at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bye, y'all.